Today I'm going to show you a quick and effective way to log into Telegram without having to fuss over verification codes. If you've ever found yourself stuck waiting for code or just want a simpler way to sign in on another device, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to securely log into Telegram on your desktop or in your browser just by using a QR code in your phone. Let's get started. First, let's make sure you're set up for success. You'll need two things for this method: access to your mobile device where you're already logged into Telegram, and a computer where you want to log in, either through Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web. Think of it like using your phone as a key to unlock Telegram on your computer. No need to wait for an SMS code and no hassle with manual entry. Head over to your computer and open either the Telegram Desktop app or, if you prefer, load up Telegram Web in your browser. The interface you'll see is welcoming you to log in, but instead of the usual code entry, you'll notice a QR code right there on the screen. This is basically an express ticket into your account, and it's designed for speed and security. Now switch over to your mobile device, your smartphone or tablet, where you're already logged into Telegram. Here, where the magic happens. Open Telegram and don't rush. Take your time navigating to the correct section. Tap on Settings. You'll usually find this in the bottom right on iOS or in the side menu on Android. Next, look for the option called Devices. It might sound technical, but this is simply where Telegram helps you manage where you're logged in. Inside the Devices menu, you'll spot an option that says Link Desktop Device. Tap this and Telegram will automatically open up a QR scanner window. You might notice your camera springs to life. Don't worry, this is exactly what's supposed to happen. At this point, direct your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Try to line it up accurately. If you've ever scanned a menu at a restaurant or a price tag in a store, it's just as simple. If your camera has trouble focusing or the code doesn't scan immediately, just adjust the distance or angle slightly. Sometimes a little patience helps here. Once the QR code is recognized, Telegram takes care of the rest. Instantly, your desktop or browser Telegram will log you in. No password to remember, no verification code needed. It's seamless and actually really fun to watch. What's happening behind the scenes is that Telegram uses this QR code to verify that you're the legitimate owner of the account by matching it with your already authenticated mobile app. That way your privacy and security are kept intact. This entire process can be completed in less than a minute once you've done it a few times. Don't stress if the QR code doesn't scan on the first try, just take a breath and give it another go. The beauty of this approach is that it saves time, especially if you're switching between devices at work or need quick access to your chat history. And that's it, you're logged into Telegram without ever needing a verification code. It's a smart way to stay connected, especially if you're in a hurry or simply want an effortless experience. If you found this tip helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions or your own tips in the comments below. I check them and love helping out. And if you want more tutorials just like this, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.